Welcome. In this session we'll talk about ordering EKGs, echocardiograms, and stress tests. So in order to get to there, normally the patient would load with the results review tab. You'd click on the orders tab, you'd click add to add orders. Here we have a cardiology folder, and so you can easily order many things from here. And so you can order EKG, and maybe you need it for chest pain, but there's also tomorrow morning. There is a tomorrow morning for 3 days. Maybe we want tomorrow morning for 3 days. So you click on that. We want an echocardiogram, which is right here, called ultrasound echocardiogram. And maybe we want it routine to evaluate for systolic heart failure. And then there's a bunch of other echo stress, echo Doppler, a bunch of other common studies. Let's say we want to order TE. Not a TE, I apologize. We want to order a Lexus Can stress test. So Lexus Can, you left click on this power plan once. These are single orders, these are power plans. And so certain stress tests are in power plan format, and we need them because we need several orders ordered together. And the easiest way to group them is a power plan. So if you click done, and notice how there's a Lexus Can order set that opens up, and it has pre-checked orders. One is for fluid, the other one is the stress test for radiology, there's a nuclear medicine, then there's the medication and IV fluids needed to be ordered together. And so that these stress tests open up with pre-configured orders that are needed. And so if you click orders for signature, note that you will see the Lexus Can stress test orders in addition to the other ones that we wanted to order, like echo. So for the ultrasound echo, you would want to put in reason for echo, and maybe you can scroll down and pick a reason like congenital heart disease, or heart failure, which will be here. Hypertension will be here. Dysfunction, my MI. You could put it in for MI. Any of these clinical reasons. The next one is the ECG. So the next one is actually this nuclear medicine test, which has been ordered through the Lexus Can stress test power plan. But this ECG, we wanted to order an ECG daily in the morning, and maybe we want to do it for acute coronary syndrome. So every morning they'll get an EKG. And then we know that these orders that come from power plans have this icon. This order was part of the plan called Lexus Can stress test. So this is how one would order stress test, EKG, and echocardiogram. You could click sign all at once and you would have ordered everything together. Thank you. This is the end of the session.